Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Honeywell portable air conditioner. I've looked through the internet, checked reviews, online ratings, and early user feedback, and I'm going to break down whether this portable air conditioner is actually worth buying or not. Check out the link below for the best price. What makes the Honeywell stand out for the price is its dual hose design. Unlike single hose units that pull in already cooled room air to vent itself, a dual hose system draws air from outside, which means faster, more efficient cooling without working against itself. For a unit rated to cool spaces up to 700 square feet, that efficiency actually matters once the room heats up. On top of that, this unit is rated at 14,500 BTU with a SEER rating of 18, which is notably high for a portable air conditioner. In real-world terms, that means you are getting strong cooling output without burning through electricity the way older or less efficient units do. For anyone running this through a full summer, that efficiency can genuinely show up in your energy bill. Worth calling out too, this unit doubles as a serious dehumidifier, rated to remove up to 101 pints of moisture. That is a substantial number for a portable AC, meaning humid climates or muggy summer conditions get addressed directly rather than just being cooled while staying sticky. If humidity is as much of a problem for you as heat, this is where the Honeywell pulls ahead of more basic units. Noise level is another strong point here. According to reviews and user discussions, the quiet operation is one of the most frequently praised aspects, with the unit producing only 51 decibels even on its highest setting. That is roughly comparable to a normal conversation, which makes a real difference if this is running in a bedroom overnight or in a shared living space during the day. For peace of mind, the unit includes thermal overload protection along with dual dust filtration. That combination helps protect the internal components from overheating while also keeping the system clean over time, which extends how long the unit performs at full strength rather than degrading after a single season of heavy use. Setup is designed to be straightforward, with the included exhaust hose and window bracket allowing you to get cooling started shortly after unboxing. Based on early impressions, that hassle-free setup process is appreciated by buyers who do not want to spend their first hot afternoon wrestling with installation instead of actually cooling the room. The display and remote add a layer of everyday convenience as well. The Mirage display stays easy to read at a glance, and the remote lets you adjust settings from across the room rather than needing to walk up to the unit every time you want to change something. This unit is best suited for larger rooms or open living spaces, especially in climates where humidity is as much of a concern as heat. It is a strong fit for anyone who has dealt with a portable AC that cools, but leaves the air feeling damp, since the dehumidifying capacity here is built to actually solve that. One thing worth being upfront about is that, like all portable units, this still requires venting through a window using the included hose and bracket, so it is not a fully ventless setup. That is standard for the category, but worth keeping in mind for your specific space. So would I recommend it? Honestly, yes. For anyone dealing with both heat and humidity in a larger room, this one delivers strong, efficient cooling without the constant noise. Check out the link below for the latest deals and availability, and if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more reviews coming soon.